Piano teachers, do you want something more engaging for your beginner students than playing rhythms on middle C for weeks on end? Do you find that in this age of technology, your pupils don't engage with their piano books like they used to? Do your students come back week after week not having practiced and you find yourself teaching the same piece over and over again? And that's why I created Piano Umbrella. Piano Umbrella gives you structured, ready-to-use resources that genuinely engage beginners from their very first lesson. The piano course enables students to follow a clear 3-step method with coloured support. There is also a chord builder to help students understand harmony visually, and activity packs filled with lesson-ready tasks. And every one of these resources is created by me. I've combined over 20 years of classroom and instrumental teaching experience with my graphic design skills to give piano teachers structured, varied, and genuinely engaging lesson materials. Teach with clarity, teach with confidence, teach with Piano Umbrella.